Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. Let's add 250 milliliters of tap water into our saucepan. Next, add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Shake that bottle, get all the sauce out. Next, we're going to add in a teaspoon of palm sugar. As you can see, I've got authentic Thai palm sugar. In it goes. There we go, it's not coming off the spoon. Peel and slice garlic thinly. We're going to add this to the sauce. Remember to keep flipping the garlic over so it's easier to cut. After we've added the garlic to the sauce, we're now going to slice a red chilli thinly. I'm slicing a big red chilli because they're not quite as spicy. However, you might want to use one of the small chilies. Or you could even add more than one. Now we're going to add that into the sauce. Next, we're going to put on our stove and heat our sauce until the sugar dissolves. And stir, 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 stir a bit more, try and get that sugar dissolved. Fascinating watching all the chilli and garlic float around, isn't it? Next comes the fun bit. This is where we have to taste our sauce to make sure that it is the right flavour. You want to have a balance of salty, sweet, sour and spicy. Oh look, there's me peeking in. I didn't know that I was in this video. Little cameo shot there. I added more palm sugar into mine to balance out the sweetness, then it was perfect. But of course, you should definitely check again. And don't forget to squeeze in your lime as well. Now my sauce is ready. Ooh, yum yum. Add a pinch of herbs and then allow it to cool and serve it with your summer rolls. You can keep it in an airtight jar in the fridge for a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe.